Learning to ride is fun. Start with a balance bike, then training wheels for support. Ride independently. Before using pedals, it's best to learn how to balance. Push with your feet, then lift them up and glide. Feet, then lift them up and glide.
Woohoo! I did it! I'm ready to ride! Look at them go! Pedaling takes practice, but soon you won't need those training wheels.
You're doing great. Keep going. Keep pedaling. You got it.
I'm riding by myself.